It's recording now.
Okay.
Take one.
George.
Take one. Raul and George. We're going to attempt to run two of our prototypes of the Stirling engine. Oh my God! You mean one didn't work? Oh no! Why didn't it work? Is the fire off?
No, it did not crack.
It cracked.
No, it did not crack. There we go.
If you get the other one to work.
There you go.
Yay! Cool, cool. Well, beautiful, beautiful. Let me go. Let me go.
I'm sorry?
Is that a coffee maker or something?
Coffee maker?
It sounds like a coffee maker. He's saying.
Get closer.
All right, closer. All right.
So just hold it here, Robert. Just hold it.
All right.
So this is Robert here doing our present. Say hi, Robert.
Hello.
So we have two engines running already. The engine can hold by itself. There's a heat source here. There's another heat source over here.
We need to make a stand.
Beautiful, beautiful.
I'll make one in my house. I got some wood.
I'm gonna find something. Maybe we could. Maybe I could come up with something too. Some kind of magnet, Ron? Magnet?
No, you don't need to do that.
No.
And they're both running from both different directions.